Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you Biscuits Ladoo. For this we need some material. I have taken some dark fancy biscuits, but you can take some other biscuits also. We need some powdered sugar. We need milk also. I have taken some chopped almond, one empty bowl. We need some toothpicks and a spoon. So are you excited to make biscuits laddu? Let's start. Here I have taken some packets of biscuits. Then I wrapped them in the napkin. To crush the biscuits, I used roller pin. Like this, I will beat the biscuits with roller pin. Some more time. Yes, like this. Now, I will open the napkin and check the biscuits. I have taken an empty bowl. So kids, I will tear the packets of the biscuits and put them in an empty bowl like this. You can see all the biscuits have been crushed. So open all the packets and put them in an empty bowl. Now, what we have to do? We have to put some powdered sugar in the crushed material. Now, I will add 1 teaspoon sugar in it. Mix it well, very nice like this. Then, I will put some chopped almonds in it like this. You know, almonds are very healthy for our health. Mix it well like this. Very nice. Yes. To make moist mixture, I need some milk. So I will pour some milk in it. Yes, like this. Then I will mix it properly. Mix it well. Yes, very nice. So kids, you can see our batter is ready. You can see our batter is thick because we have to make laddu. So we can't keep our batter thin. We have to keep it thick. Now our batter is ready to make delicious laddu. Are you excited? Okay, let's start. Keep some batter on your palm like this, and with the other hand make it roll like this. Very nice. Now our laddu is ready. Is it looking yummy? Isn't it? Wait, we have to make some more laddus. So one by one, I make laddus with this batter, like this. Now our laddus are ready. You can garnish your laddus. You can garnish your laddus with chopped almonds like this. They will look more delicious. Now our laddus are ready to eat. But I know children love lollipop also. So kids, if you want to eat it as a lollipop, you can put toothpick in it like this. Very nice. Our lollipop is ready. So you can eat it as a laddu or you can eat it as a lollipop. It's up to you. This lollipop is too yummy. I can't wait it to eat.